Today I'm sharing with you the secret of big manifestation. Why some people are always manifesting and going from success to success to success, and why some other people are not able to manifest everything or not able to manifest everything that they desire, or why their manifestation for the big things are not working. And this thing will really change your perspective, the way you are doing. And in case if you are succeeding in some area or you are struggling in some other areas, or sometimes only the smaller manifestations are happening or the bigger manifestations are not happening in spite of applying the tools and techniques, then this video will be an eye-opener for you, because this is much more about the deeper thing that controls how you are manifesting and how you are progressing in your life. And understanding this thing will create a significant change in your life, and this will give you the energy, understanding to have all the big manifestation and keep going from success to success. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. I'm so happy and excited to share something really interesting with all of you today. And those of you who are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our tribe. If you are yet to check my website, check awesomeeze.com, because there are a lot of tools, techniques and resources are available for you. Now, so many of you are knowing about the law of attraction, the subconscious mind, the success philosophy, applying tools, techniques. Some of you are working really hard in your job, business, career, doing everything. So many of you are trying your best to attract a new relationship or heal your relationship. So many of you are working so dedicatedly, applying tools, techniques in achieving success in your studies or in your job, or manifesting that dream job or building that big business. But in spite of doing all these things, if things are not working, or sometimes it's working in one area or not working in other area, or things are not going in a success to success flow, then this is where you are stuck. And I want to give you the first insight, what it's all about. And with this idea, your personality creates your personal reality. Yes, your personality creates your personal reality. Means the kind of person who you are, that defines everything. And when I'm talking about personality, I'm not talking about just your communication skill, or I'm not just talking about the way people perceive personality on just on the outside. The personality, the kind of person who you are, means personality means the kind of person who you are, the kind of person who you are deep to your core, deep down how you are inside your mind, body and soul. That's what create your personal reality. Means the way you are building your life, not just one or two things, the way you are growing in your life, the way you are going in your life, upward, forward, every direction, towards success, towards failure, everything is being defined by your personality. Means the kind of person who you are. And if you don't understand this, then it doesn't matter how many tools and techniques you are applying, and it's not going to give you a tremendous change. I want all of you to listen to me and understand this, and then think about yourself and do the necessary correction. So if we categorize everyone, then I would say all of us fall into one of these three categories. Three kind of people. The first kind of people are the optimistic one. Yes, the optimistic one, the one who always look for the positive things, the one who always believe in himself or herself, or believe in the higher power, or believe in both, believe in their dreams, and they always know that they are going to achieve their dreams. They always know that they deserve the best. They always know that things are going to work out for them. And no matter how many obstacles they face, no matter how many challenges they face, they always go forward and get things done. They always do everything. But every time they do it for their own transformation, for their own success, with utmost of positivity, with utmost of drive, with utmost of dedication. And they keep looking for only good things in life and positive things. And even in the most negative situation, they try to find all the good things that is there, or all the lessons they have to learn, so that they can move forward. So this is the optimistic type. And all the successful people talks about it, all the spiritual people talks about it, because if you want to be successful, or if you really want to be happy, or if you want to really do something extraordinary in your life, it doesn't matter which field it is or which area of life, whether it's health, whether it's money, whether it's relationship, whether it's anything, you have to be absolutely optimistic about that area, because you cannot create anything positive with a negative beliefs. Yes, you cannot have a positive outcome with a negative beliefs. That is why you have to be optimistic about it, and you have to be optimistic so that you start having all the positive result in this area. So this is the personality type 1. But because of the social programming, because of so many programming, very few people really stay super optimistic. Very people, they stay optimistic almost all the time. And those people who are staying, they are always winning, they are always achieving, and they are going beyond their fears, doubts, and they are always succeeding. So your focus should be being in this first category. Now the second category. Before explaining second category, I should first explain about the third category. The third category of people are the pessimistic one, the pure hopeless one, the pessimistic people who find fault in everything. Something I read few years back, they said the pessimistic people always have 10 problems for one solution. So every time the optimistic people always find 10 solutions to one problem, but the pessimistic persons, if you give them one solution, they come back with 10 new problems, they come back with 10 new questions, they come back with 10 new doubts. So pessimistic people, they always look for what is wrong in everything. They are the chronic fault finders. And these people never ever achieve anything big in life. That's why you must have heard this quote: no critic has ever changed the world. Yes, no critic has ever changed the world, because they are looking for only what is wrong. And same way, pessimistic are even much deeper than critics. Pessimistic are, they are not ready to accept anything, they are not ready to see the positive side of anything, they are not ready to believe in anything, they don't believe in themselves, they don't believe in their dreams, they don't believe in other people, they don't believe in other people's dreams. And I believe those people who are watching, those people who are in our awesome tribe, and those of you who are watching my videos, you don't fall into the pessimistic categories, the pure pessimist. Because if you would have been a pure pessimist, you won't be watching this video. So these people never achieve anything. They are the chronic complainer, they are the chronic fault finder, and their life really sucks. Now the second category, I told you about the first and the third category. The second category, and this is where most people fall. This is the on and off category. So this is where, and I know that many of you fall into this category, and I'm explaining you so that you should understand what are the mistakes you are doing, so that you should go to the first category, the pure optimist category, the super optimist category, so that your manifestations start happening fast. In the second category, the on and off type, these are the people who are pumped up, who are motivated sometime, who have the belief that they can achieve. They try to look all the positive things almost whenever possible. But at the same time, from time to time, when they face challenges, when they don't get the result, when some things come up, something negative happen, their motivation goes down, they start being negative, they become like pessimist. Or especially when they are with optimist, they are like optimist. When they are with pessimist, they lose all their optimism and they get influenced by the pessimist. When a pessimist criticize them, or when the pessimist comment them, or when the pessimist put lot of doubt in front of them, they lose their momentum, they lose their positivity, they lose their energy, and they start doubting themselves. They start doubting, oh, this law of attraction works, oh, this mind works, am I really going to achieve my dreams, is it really possible for me? And then they lose all their momentum. And so many of you are doing this mistake. So don't do this mistake, because I know that so many of you sometimes you say that, oh, I have applied all the tools, techniques, and it did not work for me. And rather than finding it was not working for you, rather than finding what is the reason, you say it's not working for me, oh, law of attraction is not true, this is not true, that is not true. And then you go into a downward mode. Maybe you stay depressed for some time, negative for some time, but after some time, because you are a deep down positive person, deep down you are an optimistic person, so then you deep down know that it's possible and you deserve a better life. So then you again wake up and you start following the tools, techniques, processes, and then you start working. But while doing that, the biggest mistake you are doing by being the on and off type is you are going 10 step forward and then you are again going 10 step backward, 10 step forward, 10 step backward. So you are almost at the same place year after year or month after month. And then when you see other people's success stories, you wonder that, oh, I know about law of attraction, or I know about this technique for last 3 years, last 5 years, last 10 years, but why I'm not able to manifest? How come this person is able to manifest? My friend, the biggest difference is when the person who is manifesting again and again and again, when that person, when he or she knows about the law of attraction or any tools, techniques or processes, he or she completely believe in it, and then this person start applying without any doubt, chose to be a absolutely optimistic person. But in your case, what you are doing, you are also a deep down optimistic person, but maybe because of the outer influence, or maybe because you are not seeing the result, you are going on and then going off, going on, going off, going on, going off. And by doing that, you are every time going back to the zero position. And this is why you are there and you know everything for so many years, but you are not manifesting something big. Or sometimes when you try some small things, you manifest. For the big things, it's not working, because when you go for the big things, your pessimism, whatever little pessimism you are having because of the situations or because of the people, or when you face really a difficult situation, you lose hope. And that's where you lose the momentum. So my friend, I know that so many people, a larger chunk of people around the globe, they are not absolutely pessimistic, but they are in this on and off type. And if you really want to change your life drastically, if you really want to create a massive change in your life, now it's time for you to shift from this on and off type to the first type, to the pure optimist type, to the super optimist type. And you have to choose to become an optimist, because when you be that, my friend, you start going from success to success to success, and that's what you deserve. And you have that optimism in you. Don't fall into that category. Choose, and this is a reminder for you, because when you choose that I am going to be an optimist and I look for all the good, then you focus on your dreams, desires, and you do all the tools, techniques and processes without doubting, without anything, and you achieve. You do it until you win. You do it until you achieve it. So my friend, from today you should promise yourself to become an optimist. And right now, if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, right now go to the comment section and write that yes, 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 I choose to be an optimist and I am an optimist. So write it in the comment section. Let yourself know, let the universe know that you are choosing to be an optimist from today onwards. And always keep reminding yourself that I'm an optimist, I'm an optimist, and I'm focusing only on success and success and success and manifestation. It doesn't matter how much time it will take, it doesn't matter how many challenges I'll face, I am achieving it. My friend, you have that power within you. And if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love, so that you let them know that they should not make the same mistake and they should also become a pure optimist. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes and deeper processes, you should join my powerful program, Transform Your Destiny. Check the link in the description section and start your journey. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. And in the next video, I'll tell you how can you transform from becoming a pessimist to an optimist. What are the steps you should follow? So stay tuned. Thank you.